out the plates for the party now. I am taking out the flower plates.
पार्टी से प्लेट मैं आता निकल रही है मैडे प्लेट निकल The dough is ready. Let's make some party plates. Yes, it's perfect. The guests will be here soon.
The
yield is bountiful this season. Indeed, the sun has been kind.
I always love preparing this fresh salad in the morning light.
Delicious.
पार्टी से प्लेट में आता निकल रही है मैदे प्लेट निकल रहा है रोटी बनाने का कितना मजा आ रहा है हाँ ये बहुत आरामदायक काम है
Welcome to my miniature kitchen. Today we are making a delicious soup with some fresh bread.
The batter is just right. Now for the perfect flatbread.
If you liked our video, then like our video and subscribe to our channel.